Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night and a great week, folks. Surround yourself with people who believe you can. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 67, NASDAQ down 8, S&P's up 5.5, gold contract up down $3, trading at $1,267 an ounce. Silver off 3 cents at $15.66 an ounce. Platinum up 20 bucks, $9.98 an ounce. Copper flat at $2.28 a pound. Light sweet crude up 2 bucks at $37.98 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year down 6 ticks. 128.29, 30 off 4 ticks, 162.04, and King Dollar down 238 ticks at 97.10. The euro up 10 at 110, and the yen is trading at 113.41. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay. So we close out at $200.59. This baby wants to run up to this $203.87. Bottom line, Friday had some volume. Today we actually backed down with lighter volume. We got to a low today of 199.25. Had 88 million shares traded. Friday we had 129 million shares traded. This baby wants to get up into that gap. We go over and we take a look at the NDX 100, the 3 Qs. What do you have with the 3 Qs? Same type of setup in the 3 Qs. We closed down 65 cents. We're trading at $105.02. Now, the Qs, folks, haven't made it to their benchmark, the first benchmark. The first benchmark is the December 18th swing low. That's $109.83. That's quite a way from where we are. I do expect you're going to get up there, and in fact, the Qs, which is going to be really wild, can actually get to 111.84. That's going to be a heck of a run if, in fact, that's what happens. Gold. What do we have with gold? Bottom line, folks, gold wants higher price. Yes, it has had higher price in a dramatic way, no doubt. We had a price spread out here today of 1257.40 was the low. 1274 was the high. We closed out at 1267. You've done 208,000 contracts. You're pushing highs and you're pushing them on volume. You know, bottom line is that we're over the first expansion top side, which was the February 11th high, which is 1263. You're over that number, and you have some juice behind the move. Silver. What do we have with silver? Silver needs more strength, needs more buyers. Silver is trying to build some cause to get up into the October of 2015 swing high. That's $16.24. Right now we're trading at $15.67. Had a decent day Friday, as well all the commodities did. Bottom line, we'll see how it attacks the $16 level. Right now you're at $15.66. Bonds. What do we have with bonds? Well, if you take a look at the notes first, we'll take a look at the 10-year note. The note is going to need more volume in order to get the lower price. Price didn't hold out here today, down 5 ticks, no big deal. 820,000 contracts. What I do expect you're going to see is that we're going to try to go down and we're going to test the high of the 20th of January. That's 128.21. Now, that's only 8 ticks down from where we are. If we go over and we take a look at the 30-year, what you're going to see with the 30-year actually came down, rejected lower price out here today. We got down to a price point of 161.22. We closed out at 162.05, and we did 160,000 contracts. So the 30-year is really saying that, you know, more than likely we're going to have some kind of a bounce in bonds. Now, this is where the divergence comes in. When markets are trading higher, you know, the S&P still wants higher price, my take. Dow wants higher price. It's a counter-trend bounce. When you see that happen, bonds go to lower price. So the tricky part of this market right now is what bonds want to do, because if bonds, bottom line, want to go topside now, what that is saying is that the market is getting ready to flip around the other side and go back downtown. So that's the number you want to keep an eye on. Keep an eye on those bonds in a big way. King dollar. What do we have at King dollar? Bottom line, King dollar can't handle higher price. King dollar down 238 ticks today. And it wasn't today that was basically giving the information out about King dollar, folks. What happened on Friday, King dollar went from 98 down to 97. Had a huge expansion of volume. We did 33,000 contracts. That's 33,000 contracts after having made a high at the beginning of last week with 19,000. That 19,000 was going into 60,000 contracts on February 3rd. So bottom line, what you can expect there, I do expect you're going to see good old King dollar moving down to lower price. We go over to the oil market. Oil market on fire out here, no doubt. Oil market right now, it was up $2.11 today. Huge volume. We did 628,000 contracts. Oil looks to me like, number one, you're going to go up to the, well, $40 is easy. It's right next to it, $40. This run probably will take you to 43.51. That's a big number. We come off those lows. The low in this contract thus far is $28. That'd be really wild if we actually get up there, because you get up to that price point. What's that? 29 bucks up to 45. Yeah, that's a big move. There's no two ways about that. What are you talking? $16 move. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Shake Shack. Shake Shack just come out with numbers. Shake Shack closed at $42.23. That's trading at $38.90. Let's see what they have to say. Their revenue is $51 million. The same store sales are up 11%. Earnings per share adjusted is looks like it's 8 cents. URBM, let's see, well, what else we have out here. Urban Outfitters closed at $28.16. That just come out with numbers. That's trading at $29.90. Numbers on Urban Outfitters go like this. Urban Outfitters, their net sales was $1 billion. The estimate was 56 cents. They come in with 61 cents. And these are Urban Outfitters in particular. This is an equity that you talk about coming down. This went from $47. We take a look at it in March of 2015. Gets down to $19. Now it's going to crawl its way back. Yeah, this can get up to 33. The high volume swing low on this, by the way, is $33.33. That was established on May of 2015. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow finished up 67. NASDAQ down 8. S&P's up 4.5. We're going to be right back.